we are going for a hike. I have already packed out all my things behind me. I'm picking up that I'm being quite intense about the safety things, like having a space blanket, having bandages, and I can feel my brain is like, I cannot leave without this one item. Something that I don't have with me that I feel is not good is a flashlight, because I feel like you should rather have everything that will equip you in case of an emergency. I never used to be like this. When I was younger, I was always like, just pack the minimum. And now I'm like, how much can I pack that will like fully equip me in all situations, but also at the same time not make it too heavy to like and annoying to carry around. So okay, so this is gonna be my bag. This is literally just like an old cheapo bag that I got at one of our local like sporty affordable shops. Also, sorry if you're hearing the wind in the background. It is super windy at the moment, which is not a vibe, but it is what it is. Definitely gonna make a coffee, so I'm really excited about that. I'm absolutely loving this coffee from Woolies at the moment, and this coffee specifically is like one of the best tasting coffees I've ever had. So then my cup that goes with the coffee, then here is all my like emergency equipment. It's like the bare minimum, but space blankets, some band-aids or plasters, pepper spray just for in case. There are baboons that sometimes roam in the mountains, and I'd rather just have something with me, you know, that could deter them. And then some lip ice or lip balm, because it absolutely sucks if you have dry lips and you need something and you don't have something with you. And then we just have some electrolytes as well. And then just nice to have some wet wipes. That's feeling kind of dry at the moment, to be honest, but we'll check that out. And then a pair of scissors. Oh, and then also my bandage, which is literally just like worst case scenario. And then I have this cool bag that came with this bag. All of the emergency equipment is going to go in here. And then I have my film camera, my disposable film camera. I have not used this in a very long time, so I feel like today will be a good opportunity to take some photos with this as well. I have a brand new flask, which I'm so excited to use. My boyfriend bought this for me, and I'm going to be using it today to carry the boiling water for my coffee later. And then my trusty old hip bag. This thing comes with me every single day, especially when I go walking. So I'll just keep my phone in here, and it's nice if you want to take like a quick shot of something, if you need like quick access to your phone. I will be bringing with a beanie and an additional thin water-resistant jacket just in case. Arguably, the most important thing to bring with is some snacks. Peri-peri cashew nuts, some pretzels. These are the best sour sweeties. I'm gonna go grab a minced jaffle from one of our coffee stalls at the beach, because I'm quite hungry and I don't want to start the hike off super hungry. Yeah, but that's essentially what I will be bringing with. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill up my my flask with some boiling water. Okay, so my bag is packed and we are ready to go. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna hear me properly, but the whole like hiking procedure has completely changed here. So
you could normally drive in, and it took you like anywhere between like 10, let's say 5 to 15 minutes to, yeah, maybe like 7 to 15 minutes to get to the start of the trail. So that's like you driving that amount of time. And now they don't allow cars in anymore, so that means that you have to walk all the way to the start of the trail, which is like just under 5 kilometers from the gate. So you first have to walk 5Ks, then start your hike, then you have to walk 5Ks back. Like, that does not make sense to me. I mean, anyways, just gotta do it. So we'll see how it goes. I have no idea. I've never done this before, and I'm starting quite late, like it's 11 a.m. So we're gonna have to see how it goes. It's pretty windy. It's kind of cold. Luckily I brought my warm things. Okay, we're almost 20 minutes in. It took me 18 minutes to kind of like calm down my fire, because I am kind of confused as to why they think it's a good idea to let people walk 5 kilometers to the starting point of a hike. Water. And then do the like whatever 6-kilometer hike. Anyways, I'm getting over it now. So now I'm kind of feeling inspired for the physical challenge. But I have a ballet class tomorrow, so that's going to be interesting. I don't think my relevés are going to releve much, but let's see. It's just me and the path. Distance to the start of our hiking trail is 2 kilometers from here, so we're almost there. Funny. There's literally a field of proteas. How cool! So many. Beautiful little bee. Wow. This is literally one of my favorite things to see. And the mountains have these beautiful, it almost looks like rolling hills. And then the sun casts the light in a specific angle. And then the shade. It just is so cool. It tickles something in my brain. I don't know if you can see the light beam. Wow. Woohoo! We made it. So we're starting the hike now after 5 kilometers. Luckily, I really like walking, so that's good. Oh, look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, can confirm it was worth it, 100%. flowers are so bright. Like the camera isn't really doing it justice. Like it's so bright. It almost looks neon. It's so pretty. So this is literally the windiest hike I've ever been on. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. There is the waterfall. Okay, so we're here now, and we are gonna move to the second one and skip that one. So let's go. That one. So I want to try and find a place to make my coffee that's a little bit sheltered from the wind, and just like be a bit slow and calm, because I walked so fast to get to the head of the trail, and I can feel my body's like, is something wrong? What's going on? Why are we walking so fast? And like nothing's wrong. So I just want to be calm and actually like fully land and be here, because it's like so beautiful. And yeah, I just have my snacks, enjoy a slow, warm, freshly brewed cup of coffee, and that's me. And then we'll head back. I'm not looking forward to that long walk back. The walk here was fine, it was very pretty actually, but the way back is going to be long, I think. But it's okay. So many pretty flowers. Wow. So cool. Yeah, it's crazy, like when you're walking really fast, it's like your body goes into a bit of panic mode, or is just alert. And when you're walking slower, you can literally feel how your body is just way more relaxed, and it's like your brain starts working slower. So that was quite interesting to feel, because I mean, I'm literally in the most relaxing place on earth. Like, tell me otherwise. And I can feel my body thinks that something's going on, and it's not. So that was because of the fast walking and thinking that I might not get there in time, I might not make it might not be worth it. Anyway, we carry on. Update. So been walking for an hour and 37 minutes, done almost 7Ks, and yeah, 8.5 thousand steps. Yeah, pretty good. Solid. Okay, so I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna sit over here and have my coffee, because I can literally see the clouds coming over the mountains, and I think that means rain and cold. So I'm rather gonna play it safe, and I'm pretty happy with how far I've come. But yeah, I just want to enjoy myself a little bit, you know, take things a little bit slower, enjoy the wind, and then, yeah, see from there. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Alrighty. Coffee's made. So I've had my coffee and my snacks and my treats and everything, and I'm wondering whether I shouldn't just go to that specific view that I absolutely love on this path, but it is like probably another 1 or 2 kilometers away, and then I should be in time to turn around and then walk all the way back. So I'm thinking of doing that because I think this hike is going to feel incomplete if I don't see the view. I think I referred to it in my previous hiking video, like one of my favorite views. So yeah, let's do that. I think it's time to pack up here, all my things, and then maybe one more sweetie. These things are sour. Oh my gosh. Yeah, one more sweetie and then we go. So we're gonna go along this path, and then eventually we're gonna go around that bend and then go up, and then you basically see all of this but from a higher point of view, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It was really fun. It's so windy. It's hectic. Oh, that's cute. Okay. 9 kilometers in, 2 hours 45 minutes. We should probably finish like at the 3-hour mark with this trail, and then it'll take probably another hour to get back to my car. So yeah, feels good. We did it. Almost there. Nice. I made it. 3 hours, 10 Ks. Nice. So we should finish up in 4 hours. So pretty. 12 Ks in. We're getting there. I cannot get over the mountains. They're so pretty. Okay guys, we've made it. We're done. I could use a nap right now. So yeah, it was cool to do, but the additional 4.8 Ks there and the 4.8 Ks back is kind of hectic because yeah, I don't know, whatever. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm sure they have a reason why they're doing that, but it's kind of hectic. Anyways, yeah, hike done for the day, and now it's just time to rest, to chill, get back home, have a nice coffee, maybe lie on the couch a little bit, and then we're done. We're done now, but then the day is done. I think I'm gonna have the best sleep of my life tonight. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was somewhat entertaining and just like relaxing in some way. I'm not too sure how the wind is gonna turn out in the footage. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.